Jake, this is not what I ordered.
What did you order?
I ordered pasta. This is soup.
Oh, I ordered soup. This is fish.
So, we have each other's food?
Yes.
Should we say something?
In a minute. The fish is actually very good.
Welcome back to Speakoza. Today, restaurant English. Because, clearly, we need it. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakoza, the podcast where you learn real English, laugh a little, and level up every single day. I'm Maya.
And I'm Jake. And yes, we were just at a restaurant. And yes, the waiter got our order wrong twice.
If you missed last week, Jake booked the wrong hotel room. The week before, he got lost at the airport.
I am sensing a pattern.
The good news, every disaster teaches you something. And today, you are going to learn everything you need to know about English at a restaurant.
From walking in the door, to paying the bill, to politely telling the waiter they gave you the wrong food.
Which, as you just heard, is a skill we both needed today.
Very much so. Subscribe to Speakoza right now. New episodes every week. And share this with one person learning English today.
Okay, let's eat. Metaphorically speaking.
Here is what you will learn today.
Number 1, essential restaurant vocabulary. All the words you need from start to finish.
Number 2, how to order food politely in English. Not just what to say, but how to say it.
Number 3, how to handle problems at a restaurant. Wrong order, cold food, missing items.
Number 4, a full roleplay section. You will practice being the customer. I will be the waiter.
And number 5, Jake's story, which is, as always, a little embarrassing.
Very embarrassing, but educational. Let's go!
After 2 days in London, Jake and Maya decide to go out for dinner. They find a cozy Italian restaurant near their hotel. They walk in.
The restaurant is beautiful. Warm lights, nice music. It smells amazing.
A member of staff greets them at the door.
Staff. The people who work at the restaurant. The waiters, the host, the manager. Say it. Staff.
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Do you have a table for 2?
Of course. Follow me, please. She takes us to a lovely table by the window. We sit down. She hands us the menus. Menu. The list of food and drinks available at the restaurant. In English, we say menu. Say it. Menu. A menu usually has sections: starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks.
I open my menu. I look at the starters. Tomato soup, garlic bread, mixed salad.
I look at the main courses: pasta, pizza, grilled chicken, grilled salmon.
And for desserts, tiramisu, chocolate cake, ice cream.
Let's learn those 4 sections. Starters, small dishes you eat first. Main course, the big dish, the principal meal. Dessert, sweet food at the end. Drinks, water, juice, wine, soft drinks. Say them. Starters, main course, dessert, drinks.
The waiter comes to our table. He smiles. He has a small notepad.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
I look at Maya. Maya looks at me. And I say, almost.
Just a minute, please.
The waiter nods and walks away. We have a little more time.
Just a minute, please. This is the perfect phrase when you need more time. Very polite, very natural. Say it. Just a minute, please. Okay, we have decided. The waiter comes back.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce, please.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
I would like the garlic bread to start. And for my main, I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Garlic bread and grilled chicken. And to drink?
Could we have a bottle of sparkling water, please?
Of course. Still or sparkling?
Sparkling, please.
Perfect. So that is tomato soup, pasta with tomato sauce, garlic bread, grilled chicken, and 1 bottle of sparkling water. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. Thank you. Let's look at the key ordering phrases from that conversation. I would like. This is the most polite way to order. Say it. I would like. I'll have. Shorter and natural. Say it. I'll have. Could we have? Very polite. Great for asking for something extra. Say it. Could we have? Still or sparkling? Still water has no bubbles. Sparkling water has bubbles. Say them. Still, sparkling. The waiter brings the food. He places a bowl of soup in front of Jake and a plate of pasta in front of Maya.
I look at my bowl. This is not garlic bread.
I look at my plate. This is not pasta. This is soup.
We look at each other. We look at the food. We look at each other again.
The waiter has given us the wrong food.
Now, the important question. What do you do?
Some people say nothing. They eat the wrong food because they feel embarrassed to speak.
I understand that feeling. But we are Speakoza. We speak English, even when it is uncomfortable.
So I call the waiter politely.
She says, "Excuse me."
Excuse me? This is how you get someone's attention politely in a restaurant. Not hey, not oi, just excuse me. Say it. Excuse me.
Yes, madam.
I'm sorry. I think there may be a mix-up with our order. I ordered the pasta, but I have the soup.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. Let me check. He looks at his notepad. He looks at our food. His face goes red. You are completely right. I am so sorry. I will bring the correct dishes immediately.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Beautiful phrases there. I think there may be a mix-up. This is polite and gentle. You are not angry. You are just pointing out a mistake. Say it. I think there may be a mix-up. I will bring the correct dishes immediately. The waiter's response. Immediately means right now, very quickly. Say it. Immediately.
The waiter takes the food back. 5 minutes later, he returns.
Here is your pasta with tomato sauce and your garlic bread. I am very sorry for the confusion.
Thank you. That's wonderful.
And your grilled chicken, sir? This is salmon.
Jake.
The waiter got it wrong again.
He got it wrong twice.
And this time, I said nothing. Because the salmon was beautiful. And I was hungry.
So the lesson is, speak up the first time. By the second time, you were too tired and too hungry.
And the salmon was honestly very good.
Okay, everyone, time for our dialogue practice. Today, a full restaurant role play from start to finish. I am the waiter. You are the customer. Jake will guide you.
Listen to the model dialogue first, then do it yourself. Say every line out loud. Ready?
Good evening. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Do you have a table for two, please?
Of course. Follow me. Here is your table and your menu.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the garlic bread to start, please.
And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
And to drink?
Could I have a glass of still water, please?
Of course. Is there anything else?
No, thank you. That's everything.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Now, your turn. I am the waiter. You are the customer. Repeat after the prompts, out loud.
Every pause. That is your moment to speak.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Of course. Are you ready to order? And for your main course. And to drink. Of course. Enjoy your meal.
You just ordered a full meal in English, from greeting to thank you. That is real progress. One more important skill: paying the bill.
After your meal, you need to get the waiter's attention again. How?
Excuse me,
And then,
could we have the bill, please?
the bill. The piece of paper showing the total cost of your meal. In American English, people sometimes say the check. Both are correct. Say it. Could we have the bill, please?
The waiter brings the bill. You look at it, you check it, you pay.
You can say, could we pay by card, please? Or, can I pay in cash?
And when you leave, you can say to the waiter, everything was lovely. Thank you.
Or, the food was delicious. We really enjoyed it.
Delicious means very, very good. The best word for food compliments. Say it. Delicious. Lovely means beautiful, wonderful, very pleasant. Say it. Lovely.
And here is a bonus tip. In the UK, tipping is optional, but appreciated, around 10 to 15%.
In the US, tipping is expected, usually 15 to 20%.
You can say, please keep the change, or please add a tip of 10%.
Full vocabulary review. I say the word, Jake gives the meaning, you repeat.
Menu.
The list of food and drinks at a restaurant. Say it. Menu.
Starter.
The small first dish. Say it. Starter.
Main course.
The big principal dish of the meal. Say it. Main course.
Dessert.
Sweet food at the end of the meal. Say it. Dessert.
Still.
Water with no bubbles. Say it. Still.
Sparkling.
Water with bubbles. Say it. Sparkling.
Staff.
The people who work at the restaurant. Say it. Staff.
Bill.
The paper showing what you owe. Say it. The bill.
Delicious.
Extremely good food. Say it. Delicious.
Mix-up.
A mistake or confusion. Say it. Mix-up.
Immediately.
Right now. Without delay. Say it. Immediately.
Excuse me.
How to politely get someone's attention. Say it. Excuse me.
12 words, all yours, all useful. Every single one.
Level up every day.
Before we go, something important.
Today's episode was about restaurants, but it was also about something bigger.
Speaking up.
When the food was wrong, the easy thing was to say nothing. Eat the wrong meal. Smile and pay.
Many English learners do this, not just at restaurants, in meetings, in conversations, at work.
They understand. They know what they want to say, but they say nothing because they are afraid of making a mistake.
Here is what I want you to remember. The waiter in our story, he made 2 mistakes.
2 professional mistakes in his own language, in his own restaurant.
And the world did not end. He apologized, he fixed it. We ate a beautiful meal.
Your mistakes in English, they are smaller than his mistakes, and the world will not end either.
Say the wrong word, use the wrong tense, mispronounce something.
And then keep talking, because the person in front of you, they want to understand you. They are on your side.
Always.
We believe that. And we believe in you.
That is episode 3 of Speakoza, Restaurant English, from walking in to paying the bill, and handling it when something goes wrong.
3 episodes, 3 travel disasters, 1 very patient Maya.
Very patient. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to Speakoza right now. New episodes every single week.
And share this episode with one person today. Someone learning English, someone who gets nervous at restaurants. This will help them.
Our comment question? What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Tell us below, in English. Any answer is perfect.
Next week on Speakoza, Maya and I try to catch a train. Jake reads the departure board wrong. We end up in the wrong city. Again.
It was not funny.
It was a little funny.
Subscribe so you don't miss it.
Keep practicing, keep smiling,
and
we'll see you in the next one. Bye!